So guys, now I'm here with my alt. So this is my alt, not really Anna_7, and this is my avatar. So yes guys, now let's quickly go to grow a garden.
I'm looking cute though.
Yeah. Sorry guys, I'm a little unwell. Okay. So now I'm just, oh god, 3 batches. Oh, 4 batches. 5? Oh god.
Give me now.
Now
I'll play.
take this. Golden goose. किसके पास है ये? Okay.
Now tell me how to
click
play.
it. Okay. Click
Click.
to skip. हाँ. Now, अब this is basically the jump button. आप
Which one?
ये jump button होता है.
Okay, with this I jump. Okay.
अब जब आपको स्क्रीन चेंज करनी होगी, आप टॉप पे करोगे और ऐसे करोगे जहाँ आपको जाना है, जहाँ आपको अपनी स्क्रीन चेंज करनी है.
Okay.
है ना. अब सेम यहाँ पे नीचे से आप अगर ऐसे करोगे तो वो चलने लग जाएगी.
Okay. So this is for jump. This one is for jump.
अब अगर आपको उस साइड जाना
This
है
is for changing the screen
हाँ, अब
direction.
हाँ.
And this is for walking. Okay, got it.
तो अगर आपको अब इस साइड जाना है तो अपनी
तो
स्क्रीन
मैं
उस साइड करो.
ऐसे करूँगी.
हाँ. ओके गॉट. या हियर.
ऐसे करूँगी.
अब आप चलने का बटन दबाओगे. हाँ करो चलो. ना
अरे
कुछ नहीं होता. अब ये टॉक वाला बटन दबाओ.
let's talk. Here are the seats.
अब ये 1-2 बाय करो. टैप करो उस पर. 1 and 2. अच्छा ये हट ओनली 10 सेकंड्स. नहीं अब नहीं, आप वापस थोड़ी ना करोगे. आप पैसा नहीं है आपके पास. अब पीछे की तरफ जाओ. अपनी अच्छा ये गार्डन वाला बटन दबाओ. आप अपने आप टेलीपोर्ट हो गए अपने गार्डन की तरफ. अब ये जो सीट है ना, इस पर टैप करो. सीट. हाँ. अब यहाँ पे जाओ. आगे बढ़ो. अब कहीं भी टैप कर दो. अपने प्लॉट में लगा दो. अब एक और कैरेट लगाओ क्योंकि आपके पास 2 कैरेट है. कहीं और लगाओ और सेम जगह 2 चीज़. हाँ. अब नाउ यू वेट फॉर इट टू ग्रो. अब वो ग्रो हो गया. कलेक्ट करो उसे.
कैसे करें कलेक्ट?
एक तो यहाँ से कर सकते हो और एक वहाँ से भी कर सकते हो.
By pressing this?
हाँ. एंड नाउ सेल शॉप.
Sell shop पे जाएंगे. Let's talk.
आई वांट टू सेल माई इन्वेंटरी.
So what should I do?
टैप इट.
Tap it.
नाउ यू गेट मनी.
Oh, I got $18.
Shekels. Now you go to seed shop.
Again, seed shop.
Talk.
Let's talk. Here are some seeds that I saw. Carrot seeds, 10
You
cents.
can only buy one thing right now. Now go to your garden.
Again, garden.
Plant it.
Where should I should walk?
हाँ, now plant it.
No, I should
Okay,
plant
yeah. I planted it. Now wait for it to grow. तब तक वो वाला collect कर दो जो उससे पहले करा था. This is for pets. You don't have any pets right now. Now.
Collect.
Now. अब मैं क्या करती थी when I was new to grow garden, I basically used to go and भीख मांगो people.
Okay.
तो just go with it. Okay, yeah, just go over to someone. Just कोई भी अगर आपको प्लेयर दिखे अभी यहाँ पे. अरे मम्मी वहाँ पे
ये तो
नहीं.
seed shop है.
वो शीट शॉप है. थोड़ा तेज चलो, उसे दबा के मत रखो. हाँ. Just find someone. चैट बॉक्स में लिखो. यहाँ चैट बॉक्स है. ये चैट
Walk करने में तो मजा आ रहा है वो इसके अंदर.
ये उसको दबा के मत
Fun.
रखो. अगर आप उसे ऐसे दबा के रखोगे ना तो इट्स स्लो. अगर आपको ऐसे करके रखोगे ना देन इट्स क्विक. एंड आपको जब आप जंप नहीं कर रहे ना, तब आप जब कर रहे हो आप दूसरे हाथ से अपना डायरेक्शन चेंज कर सकते हो. है ना.
Okay.
So now you just go to this person's garden. I'm just helping you. Oh god.
Oh, what happened?
उन्होंने वो बना रखा था, मैंने देखा नहीं. Here's a T-Rex. Golden goose. मेरे को भी चाहिए.
What should I do now?
You just find someone. No. जब आप न्यू होते हो ना ग्रो गार्डन की तरफ, तब मैं तो बस भीख ही मांग. या वो रहा.
Hey.
Did he left? I'll be mad if he left. No, he did not left.
Hey, please help me, bro. Hey, don't ignore me, yaar. Please
You
help
type
me.
over here. Hey.
Hey.
Wait.
He's ignoring us.
Hey. Yeah.
What? Huh?
I am new to grow garden.
I am new to
Grow garden.
grow garden.
कहाँ गया? अरे भाई.
Let me see.
God.
Oh my God.
Here.
Hey, bro.
Hey.
He's ignoring us.
Bro. Okay, this server is just rigged. This is not the actual grow garden server. It's supposed to be.
What happened?
I just left that server. Yeah. Now type over here. Hi, I'm new to Grow Garden. Can someone please give me a fruit and help me?
Can someone
Help me.
help me?
I need a garden. Why are they all set the sheet shop? कुछ आया क्या stock पे? Well, I can't even buy it. No, nothing is in the stock.
Who's this guy?
Yeah. He's agreeing to help us. Is he just gonna give me that deer? Oh, he gave me elk. Oh yeah, he gave me an elk. So that's a pet basically. Now just select that pet. Go to your garden. Select that pet. Tap on it. Yeah. Now place. Tap on it. Now tap on your garden anywhere. Now you have it. Now let's see what does it do. View. Yeah. Okay. So
It's
basically,
1 kg.
yeah, it's 1 kg. इसका नाम टिया है.
Tia, oh Tia.
Now just give me that thing.
Tia, oh Tia.
Let me just help you for once so that I can ask some people to help us. Hey, can I please have some fruit? Fulton, ma'am? Is Fulton over here? No, Fulton is not here. I thought Fulton.
Let me play, no?
Wait, let me just help you so that this person can just. Hi.
Who's this?
I don't know. Let me just. And you can even make people like your garden. Oh God, he left.
This is so beautiful.
This is the new update. Basically, whatever it wants, you give
Swimming
it to
pool.
it. This is not. This is a wishing well.
Oh.
Now, right now you have not even that much money. No. Right now you can't do anything over here. Go to garden. Just take that carrot over there. You have to move forward. Just don't. What did I tell you? Just don't put it like this. See how I hold it. I don't hold it over here. I don't hold like this. I hold it like this above. So like basically मैं यहाँ से पकड़ती हूँ और यहाँ से मैं डायरेक्शन चेंज करती हूँ क्योंकि यहाँ पे कोई जंपिंग का है नहीं है राइट नाउ एज इफ यू कैन सी क्योंकि जंपिंग का कुछ है नहीं.
Okay, so with left hand you move forward and with right hand you change the direction.
Yeah.
Show me.
Oh God. Yeah. Just zoom it down a little bit. Oh God. Yeah.
इसके साथ दोस्ती करनी है मुझे.
इसके साथ कुछ नहीं करना आपको.
Tia, oh.
Just
Tia,
don't do that.
Tia.
No. Do it from the bottom. Yeah. What did I say? Do it like this so that it works
Okay,
faster.
okay.
And yeah. If you want to go that side, you go that side. Isn't this more easy? Just, you have to pick it up also, no? Now walk. While walking, also you can do that. Give it to me.
Let me play.
Wait, I'm gonna help you. I'm just changing service. Where's the phone real quick? Can I have it? Oh wait, I only have it. Let me just leave this game real quick and I give you some fruits and some money also.
Let's take a break for a few minutes, then we'll come back.
Yeah.